to be doing a guided activity about social studies, and we're going to be focusing on maps. We're going to be drawing a map of your bedroom. So come on in and see my bedroom. First thing I want you to do is look around your room. To my left, I see my rocking chair, my bed, and my nightstand. In front of me, I see windows, my dresser, another window. To my right, I see my closet. Behind me, I see my desk and chair. And then I'm back right where I started.
Okay.
I don't know what that was.
No, you're fine. No, you're doing great.
Okay, so come and see what I drew. I want you to sit in your doorway, and I want you to draw everything you see around you in your room, just like I did. So I sat in my doorway, and to my left, I saw my bathroom door, my rocking chair, my bed, which I made a rectangle, my nightstand, which I made a rectangle, my lamp, which I made a circle, and I pretended like I was a fly on the ceiling looking down at my room. That's why my lamp is a circle like this. I did the two windows, rectangles again, my dresser, rectangle, another window, rectangle, and these were all the things that I saw in front of me, okay? To my right, I saw my closet, and behind me, I saw my desk, my chair, and this is right back where I started, okay? My first perspective is where I look out and see where everything in my room is, and then I draw it, okay? So you can see that I used a lot of different shapes, and also I used something that they use in maps called a scale, okay? Now look at my bed, all right? Is my bed really this size? No, it's not. The reason that I drew it this size is because on a map, you draw things smaller than what they actually are in real life. I also only did my bed out to the second window because the size of my bed in real life does not go to the middle of my room. Now that we've learned about size and scale, we're going to label our map. So the first thing I'm going to label is the windows, okay? There's 3 of them, and I know that window starts with the letter W, so I'm going to write just the letter W. My bed, I'm going to label with the letter B. My lamp, I'm going to label with the letter L. Chair, I'm going to do my digraph CH. Door, I'm going to do the blend DR. And then dresser, I'm just going to do DRS. Desk, I'm going to do DSK. All right. Closet, I'm going to do CL. Okay. You can do this for any room in your house. Thank you so much for watching. Even with all of our mistakes, everyone makes mistakes, right guys? And please stay tuned tomorrow for Friday Phonics, where we do a mystery backpack.
Bye, friends.